Right, so today I'm going to have a go at replacing this rusty coolant pipe on my Rover 75 diesel. So the pipe goes into the bottom hose of the radiator, bolts onto the side of the engine block here, and just up there, and then if I can find it, excuse me for the shaky camera, bit of a tight squeeze for a middle-aged guy like me, and it connects to the bottom rubber hose of the water pump there. So it managed to reach up and get that Jubilee clip off. That was going to be the only stumbling block. So I think these bolts here look like they are, what do we think, 8 or 10 mil. So let's get those off, and then I've already done that one too, and then we will drain the coolant. I'll see if I can just separate the hose there a bit. I don't know actually, because I don't want to move that closer to the inner wing. Not got much movement to pull that off, so we'll probably just drain the coolant for the other hose, which is way over there. And after a lot of struggling, here is the offending pipe. There's actually an extra wee 8mm at the front there. So as you can see, it's pretty rusty along its entire length. Not happy with that at all. And here's the new one. Nice and shiny. I've painted it all up, stop it rusting again. At least when I'm putting this one back in, it'll be a lot cleaner job, because I greased the old one to try and stop it rusting, but I wasn't happy with it. So this one, much nicer. Need to remember to just put the 2 spring clips on it before I put it back in. It's quite a lot of effort. I don't want to then have to take it back out. Let's get it put in. That's the new pipe fitted now. It runs from there, down there, and along there, and there. Bolts there, there. Now, for some reason that one there didn't want to line up. I think it's maybe the bracket's bent, but it's absolutely solid, so I'm quite happy. Right, time to fill it back up, check for leaks. Just running it up to temperature now, keeping the coolant topped up. At the moment, front bit's okay, and the cardboard seems all dry. Down there as well. So hopefully we'll be alright. Here's a better look at that old pipe again, so you can see I've greased it, so you can't really tell the full extent. You can see there's a lot of rust on that. I think inside as well. It's pretty bubbly. So I'm glad I replaced that. It was not a very nice job, but hopefully that's it done now.